Once upon a time, 10 years ago, almost to the day, a young lady stood with some friends on the sidelines of a high school football game. The young woman was proficient at mathematics and numbers. I could say the interesting world of numbers, but it doesn't want to come out. The young man, born in another country, Bolivia, was a master of all things mechanical, technical, digital. He was a wizard in every respect. They may not have realized it at first, but something was drawing them together, and his power could not be denied. The two of them shared strength, shared intelligence, and shared big hearts full of love and respect for their families and friends. They survived and they prospered. Often as they faced difficulties and conquered them, they relied on the help of their spirit animal, a lovely little boxer named Pepper.
Winona, today will mark the biggest days of our lives.
Sergio, how do I begin?
The things I always remember from our journeys are picking up Pepper from the first time.
Capturing my feelings for you in less than 2 minutes is like trying to get Pepper to stop smelling homeless people.
All the rainy bike rides, the countless hikes, and all the injuries and recoveries.
You always push me in the right direction, and you make me happy. You're my everything.
You're my best friend, and you're the best thing that's ever happened to me.
You're the one I want to come home to.
And wherever we go, I promise to be there, holding your hand and telling you I love you. With this ring, I marry you.
With this ring, I marry you.
I promise to be open
And honest in our partnership.
and I pledge myself to you from this day forward.
And for all of eternity.
It is now my honor to declare you husband and wife. Sergio, what you've been waiting for, you may kiss your bride.